Hello everyone. Today I am going to take you through the process of taking an onboarding test in ProctorTrack through MyCamo. First step is to open the web browser in your laptop or desktop.
Enter the URL www.mycamo.com.
Enter the username and password which is provided by the institution. You will land in the profile page of MyCamo where you can see your details. Now on the left there are a list of menus out of which you can find ProctorTrack in the end. Click on that menu. ProctorTrack will load and you can see your onboarding assessment test. Now click on Go to Test. A set of instructions will be available for the users. When you scroll down to the end, click the checkbox, click on Go to Next Step. Now, before you begin your test, you will be taken through a series of pre-test steps. The first step you're going to see now is download the ProctorTrack software in your device. Click on Download ProctorTrack. The file gets downloaded. Now the file installation is downloading complete. Click on Open. The installation is in process. Now it will automatically connect to ProctorTrack. Connection is successful. You got the agreement policy. Provide the consent to the agreement policy once you finish reading the policy. So I click on the checkbox, I confirm my consent. Now on the bottom right you see Start System Check. When you click on this, the software automatically system is ready for the assessment. It will do a face scan. Just click on Scan button. You need to sit in a place where there is proper lighting. Confirm if it is properly. Now the next step is to scan your ID card. Have your ID card handy. Yes, the scan is clear. There are certain examination guidelines, what is allowed and what is not allowed. I'll take you through step by step. First one, physical books not allowed. The test taker referring to their book during the test is prohibited. Online or digital resources, example web content or PDF or doc during the test is prohibited. The test taker are not allowed to use their MS Word or any other scratch pads on their computer during the test. Handwritten notes are allowed. You cannot take notes in a whiteboard or in a paper. Using of earphones is not allowed. Taking a picture or a scan through phone is not allowed. You can scan and upload the document using a scanner. Taking short breaks is prohibited, and you're not allowed to consume food or drinks during the test. Screen calculator is not permitted. Physical calculator is not permitted. Printing attempts is also prohibited. Your desktop is being monitored. Use of copy paste is not allowed. Print screen is also prohibited. Multiple monitor is allowed. There is no mobile app required for this feature, so that is also not allowed. So you can close your existing tabs on Windows. No new tabs will be allowed. You cannot open it. Right click is also been prohibited. Keyboard shortcuts are also prohibited, and full screen is forced. Therefore, no access code and password is also asked. And then finally click on I agree and let's begin. Once you click on this button, it will take you to automatically to the assessment page. You see bottom here on the right is nothing but you are being watched, you are being viewed. I'll click on start exam. The assessment has started. I'll select the options. I can abort the exam anytime. I can finish the exam anytime, and whatever I have marked will be saved. So now I'm entering the content. I can also attach. When I click on the add attachment, there are multiple files which is supported by Camo. It's almost all files, the image, Word, Excel and PDF. I have selected a file and I have attached. You see here, it is attached. Now I'm clicking on next. So just a sample content. I can click on finish exam on the bottom here or even on the top on the right. I clicked on finish exam. ProctorTrack is closing this, it's ending the proctoring, and the video which has been recorded is getting uploaded in the backend. Upload complete. You can quit the app or even uninstall. I'm uninstalling the app. That's it. Assessment is taken. So you can log out from MyCamo. Your assessment is done.